Kambala is an ancient traditional buffalo race in the coastal Karnataka. Most parts of Dakshina Kannada and Udupi districts. The buffalo race is an integral part of the rich tradition and culture of coastal Karnataka. Kambala was said to be initially started as a mode of entertainment for rural folk during the harvest season. Kambala is a festival that originated in the farmers' community of coastal Karnataka around 200 years back. It is believed that the celebrations happens to please the gods for good harvest. Ancient days Kambala was non-competitive and the winning pair of buffaloes was rewarded with coconuts and bananas. From paddy fields, it has shifted to double tracks called Jodu Khare. The Kambala season generally starts in November and lasts until March. Buffaloes are usually not reared for milk in the coastal region and hence they are brought from Malnad and Old Mysore region and groomed for the races. Buffaloes are reared and owned by wealthy local Tulu landlords. Based on the teeth and age of the buffaloes, they are categorized as senior and junior. In the race, a pair of buffalo are tied to the plow and one person supports it, beating the buffaloes with stick to make them run faster. Two competing pairs of buffaloes run on two parallel running tracks, and the results are announced according who runs faster. The racing tracks are measured around 120 meters to 160 meters in length and 8 to 12 meters in width. Electronic timers and laser systems have been introduced for accurate results. The race will continue overnight as well at different levels. There are 4 categories of races. Finally, grand finale of the race is held to determine the winner of the race. A dedicated stadium has constructed and it accommodate over 50,000 people in its gallery. Many of owners built swimming pools to buffaloes and electric fan can be seen during summer season. Tracks are plowing into a muddy fields and water will pump continuously to the tracks. The festival begins with a ceremony and a parade of the participants and buffaloes. Nowadays Kambala is in a news nationally and internationally. Kambala jockey run a distance of 100 meters in 9.55 seconds. Save Kambala. It is a cultural heritage of coastal Karnataka. Let us protect this tradition for future generations.